what is your name?
Aisa.
Aisa from
Manila.
all the way from Manila. Now, Ma'am Aisa, are you excited to meet our next annual friend?
Of course.
And since you're very much excited, let me introduce to you our charming umbrella kakadu named Coco. Hi, Coco. So, Coco, how about a greeting to our lovely guest? Alright, thank you so much for the greetings, Coco. Now, Miss Aisa, can you dance?
No.
Just a little bit. I'll try. Alright, that's good because I think Coco would like you to join him dancing with the famous Gangnam Style. Come on, Miss Aisa.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Bro, all got on cam.
Thank you so much for being such a good dancer. Now let's see some demonstration that Coco learned here in Zubik, and that is the handshake. How about on the other side? And now it's your chance to ask 2 questions to Coco, answerable only by yes. And if he nods his head, meaning he's saying yes. First question. Am I pretty? Yes, you are pretty. How about the last question? Am I sexy? Is she sexy? But you can ask him again. Come on. Am I sexy? Yes, you are sexy according to Coco. And don't you know that Coco is a sweet kakadu and he wants to give a kiss on his stringer's chick. How about on the other side? What? You're telling something? You want to kiss Miss Aisa on her lips? Mom, would you give him a chance? Okay. Alright, let's move a little closer to Coco. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was so sweet. And with that, a big round of applause for Coco. And of course, to Miss Aisa, our lady volunteer. But before you go, how about waving goodbye to everybody? Bye! Thank you again, Miss Aisa.